Hello everyone, welcome to Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. Today we can discuss detect the version of the operating system. That means which version, which operating system we are using. That operating system, which version we are using. We need to display version and operating system. Which operating system name and version, which version we are using. We need to display that one using Java program. How to display operating system and version? First, you can right click the program, new class, detect, detected OS. Click finish. Now we can write main method. You can write main method here. First, you can write string of operating system equal to system dot property get property. We need to take get property. In this property, we need to write os dot name. os dot name. This is we need to write double quotations. Remove argument get properties. Then os dot name. Not property. We need to take get property. This is the correct. Another one, string version. This is system dot get property. Here we need to write os dot version. Now we need to display this one. Operating system. Operating system plus operating system. This one we can write. Similarly, we can write version. Here we need to write version. This now we can check what is the output of this one. It will coming correctly. Yes, operating system is 11. My operating system is 11. My version is 10th version. This is a correct. This is a correct. We are getting correct output. My laptop operating system is a 11 Windows 11 only. Version also 10. This is a where we need to implement the detecting the operating system of the laptop, version of the laptop, which version of using which operating system is installed in the laptop. If you need more information about this channel, could you please subscribe and support me? I am requesting, could you please subscribe and support me? Thank you for watching Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. We will meet next video.